Authorities in northern Bangladesh have issued a red alert after the Tista River rose above the danger mark, flooding several parts of Lalmonirhat district. Heavy upstream rainfall has caused the Tista to overflow, submerging homes, croplands and roads in few areas. In Dahogram Union, a culvert and roads were washed away, cutting off communication with nearby villages. Hundreds of families have taken shelter on higher ground as water current continue to rise. 44 gates of the Tista barrage have been opened to reduce pressure, while loudspeaker announcements are warning riverside residents to evacuate. Local officials remain on high alert as forecasts predict more rain upstream.